Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto parry. So this is a strong opponent. What have I done? Oh, who's him? Yaroslav Zerabuk. Yeah, okay. I'll play for D4 actually. Okay. Go for A3. I've seen this recently. A3, I believe. So knight A4 is a trap of the queen. And now what? Take on C6. Or knight B3. Good to know some theory here. I think I'm assuming this is wrong, what I've played. Actually, because Queen E3, yeah, I don't think it should be played like this necessarily.
Check.
Giving up the bishop here. Could just take the queens off, couldn't he? I need to really look up this line with A3, knight C6, just again, just to revise things. what should I be doing? But anyway. Try and hold on to the pawn for a moment. Should I be H3 for H4 G4? And if G8 King F3, if E5 F5, I assume it's possible to play this. It can damage my pawns and stuff. No, E5 is not threatening anything. Okay, can I get away with knight D1? Okay. Okay, what is the actual threat? If I played C3, maybe the threat is F5 actually. Okay, so I'll play F5 myself. Because if takes, then E4. If takes, E4. So I think F5 was actually the intention, the evil intention. He's not going to take that, is he? To help my rook? I doubt it. Okay, he does that. I need to connect the rooks. Is knight E3 better than HG? I'm ready for HG. Although he's got, yeah, the bishops. Mileage in B4. Just to relieve some pressure. Thinking to relieve. I don't know how this is going particularly. Just trying to keep it stable at the moment. How to do that? Maybe C4 on his bishop D4. Okay, so it's going to get tricky now because I'm going to be short on time and I haven't really. Okay, b5 though. b5, b5, b5. Now you can take. Let's try and relieve his bishop pair because I don't like this minute clock advantage particularly. So if I'm losing a pawn, I'm losing a pawn. It doesn't seem totally clear anyway. Does it? I mean, maybe it does. Do you guys? I don't know. No, I think this is okay for a moment. Anyway, it's well, it's potentially okay. Threatening, maybe take. Okay. That would be double pawns if, and a pass pawn here actually if he took. Double pawns there, pass pawn there. He's got rook d3. I'll play c5 to stop. Rook d3. There's rook c1 on that. To protect the c pawn. Okay. And
check.
I've got e3, yeah. Alright, I'm down 30 seconds as well. Alright, down 30 seconds. Oh, this is a mating thing. I'm in a mating thing. If my rook leaves.
Check.
Yeah, that's bad that way. I'm losing another pawn. Okay, this looks like bad news. Funny enough, losing that pawn I think is bad news. Losing another pawn over here. There's relentless clock pressure as well. Okay, I think yeah, is. Can I get my king to g3? Just last idea here. Oh, hang on. There's that. Okay, I think that was a very hard pairing there. Very hard pairing. It's been up to 2-6-2-8 on the 5-minute auto pairing, and on Blitz he's been up to 3-2-8-5. This is one of the strongest. Okay, let's have a quick look. Just also theoretically, I should check this out, given an opening, but let's just check this out. Just try and get further next time on the theoretical path. Yeah, knight b3 is preferred by the engine. I'm pretty sure. Now this is Stockfish 8. Any check? There's Queen e2. Yeah, I think knight b3. I think this was bad actually, just to give the b file pressure. Black's already better. Don't know what I was thinking particularly on doing this. Black's already technically better according to Stockfish 8. It does help that. Yeah, let's have a look at an example then. Queen f3. Yeah, that was lame. I think the opening was a bit lame. This was okay. And if you ever plays b4, well, it's all pretty sharp territory. Okay, it's a line. Oh, that's already been there. Should white be casting queenside? Maybe bishop d3 or g4. It's pretty sharp territory. Okay, this line giving that dark square bishop seems uncomfortable. That dark square bishop at me all the time. I think he was threatening f5. Example. Oh, I could take on h3, but okay, I'll try and give an example. I think f5 is okay for black as well as whatever, taking f5 here. Okay, h4. Yeah, he's just got a very strong position here. Yes, it's not comfortable because it's like the pieces are bearing down pressure. Until here, I think I might have been. Oh, apparently it's equal. Now, okay, I was worried about rook d3. Maybe just rook a1. Yeah, just allow rook d3. Maybe I was overly concerned there. It seems equal here. I managed to at least get an equal, technically, according to the engine, equal position. But here it's difficult. If rook h8 is the only move, oh, it threatens mate. Funny enough, there's a mating net there. Oh, all right. That's why it can actually just simply fizzle. If I took here, that should be equal, yeah. Well, we go straight into just the equal ending, right? I don't think there's a zugzwang here, particularly. Is there? So, okay, I missed this mating that idea. But also, yeah, just rook a1.
Check.
Okay, so yeah, I thought it was let me off a bit then. But now he's back in the driving seat because this pawn is forming a mating net in some lines, which is unfortunate. It's an extra pawn. The bishop's fantastic. I'm dead here. Okay, comments, questions, likes, appreciated. Thanks very much.